Hi guys, I actually want to bring to your notice that Notcoin actually mean business. Can you see on Bybit? So there's Notcoin pre-sale going on right now on Bybit. You can see we are thrilled to announce that Notcoin will be the latest project to be listed on Binance. Can you guys see that this Notcoin is not actually a scam? It's something serious. They actually mean business. So they just started their own pre-sale on Bybit. For those of you who don't know what is pre-sale, pre-sale is if actually you miss the mining step, you can actually use money to buy the coin. So let me actually throw more light on pre-sale. Pre-sale works in the sense that you get to buy a particular coin in a particular platform before it get listed on that platform. For instance, if you miss the mining step, okay, the mining opportunity, now there's another opportunity here for you to actually use your money and buy it very cheap and sell it later when they launch the coin very high. For instance, if you use $1 to buy a coin, or if you use $1 to buy, let me say 100 Notcoin, and at the time they now launch it one Notcoin to be 100,000. You will see that with your $1 you will be able to make so much profit. So it is just an opportunity for those that was unable to buy and to mine Notcoin to use money now and buy it now that is not listed on the market, now that is still cheap. So that is just a little about it. So let me take you through how you can buy this and from different merchants and with their different prices. So before I do that, please, if you are here new to my channel, please, what you need to do is to subscribe, like and share my video, because I drop updates, legit updates for you guys. If I find updates, I quickly come here to drop it for you. You guys are my next family, so I don't play with you guys. So what you need to do is just to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you always get notified and be the first person to be aware of it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move to show you how you can actually buy this Notcoin now. Because from the information that I've gotten and I share it on this channel is that on the 1st of April they will stop mining Notcoin. So we don't know what will happen next, but I pray they will launch it, and they will launch it because from what I'm seeing now, they actually mean business. So let me take you through. So once you are here, what you need to do, once you are on this interface, what you need to do is to navigate to where you see more. Once you click on more, come down to where you see trade, click on pre-market trading. Once you click on pre-market trading, it will take you to this interface that is going to pop up. Okay, fine. Can you see some of the ongoing projects right now? You can see Notcoin here, number one. It's hot. You can see another project here called womb wormhole, another hot project. So I think these are the ongoing one. This one you are seeing fire on top, they are the ongoing one right now. Like this one too, you can see them. So so see so you can see right now. So Notcoin here is number one here, and you can see the price here. You can see the highest bid, you can see the floor price, and all other. You can see this guy. Probably this guy is actually the 890 USDT for 100 million Notcoin. You can see there's another guy that is selling 20 million Notcoin at the price of 178 USDT. You can see another guy. That is selling 150 million Notcoin at 1,335 USDT. You can see another guy selling 10,000 Notcoin at 89 USDT. So these are merchants, so if you want to buy from them, you are going to buy from them. And we also have sell here. You can actually say there are people also who want to actually buy at this price. This guy want to buy 70 million Notcoin at 497 USDT. So if you actually have Notcoin to sell, you can actually come and sell it right now to this guy. You can, and if you don't have the Notcoin and you want to buy, you click on buy section here. Once you click on buy section, you will be able to buy from these merchants. So this is just another opportunity for those of you that miss the mining opportunity to partake on this one and also accumulate some coin and keep for yourself, so that when they launch it, they will launch it more than the price you actually bought it. Just pray, just have a positive mind, and you make your go profit. Okay, so by the time they launch it, they will launch it higher than this price you are seeing here. All of them have their own price. This one choose to put his one as 8 0.0089. This one choose to put at 0.0069. So it depends, it just varies based on their price they are setting. Okay, so you can come and buy. You can see this one, it's you can see this one here, 0.0069. You can see another one here. You can see they are different of prices, so you can actually come and buy from them if you actually miss the mining segment. Okay, so that is all for today. So if you actually like my video, you like the kind of content I bring to you guys, please do wait to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, it will help me go a long way, and it will also help me to be promoting updates like this for you guys for free. Thank you.